are late. Come in. Say, where you been at? Ask them where they been, mamas. What's up, y'all? It's RJ. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am finally, well, not finally, but I'm showing y'all my new place because I did move to Kentucky and I got an apartment, new job. I basically started all the way over. So, listen, it's basically an empty apartment tour, but it's not completely empty because I had to get a bed. But besides that, it's basically, you know, a clean slate and I have so much decorating to do. So, let's start. This is going to be the dining area. Excuse all the stuff. I'm not sure if I want to put like a little computer desk over here or if I want the computer in my room. Yeah, I'm not sure yet, but this is the laundry. I'm washing clothes.
Just mind your business, that's all.
And then over here, we have the kitchen. I love these countertops. The little purple, so cute. So cute. But yeah, stainless steel appliances, refrigerator, microwave, oven. Yeah, I'm sorry it's not clear. I had to get stuff. Look, I had cooking to do, all of that. This right here is the pantry. Again, I had to do some shopping. Eat the sunflower seeds. Got to have the ranch. You don't want this no more? No? Okay. Come on. Okay, so don't pay attention to this door. That's just where the furnace and water heater stuff is. This is the kids' room. This is like a double bed. It kind of pulls out. And there's another bed in there. They have a window. But yeah, they're doing some construction over there. They're still building. These apartments are brand spanking new. And I have this little thing in here. I don't really use it yet because I don't have her crib and she sleeps with me. But yeah, this is her little, I don't even know what to say, her corner, I guess. Until I get to bed and I figure out how I want to do the whole room. But yeah, just decorated it so I can have a touch of her in here, even though she's not in here yet. Little pillow. You're supposed to put a book in there, but I have books up here. And this is her little dresser. I decorated it. Fit for a princess. Closet. I have to get her some hangers so I can hang up her clothes. Yeah. And then over here is the bathroom. Hey. I don't have a shower curtain or anything yet because the kids take baths, so I don't really need the shower curtain right now. But this is gonna be like a guest room when they're not here. All right, y'all, come on. Oh, hold up. All right, y'all, so I completely forgot to show y'all the dang on living room. But yes, the area I just walked past is the living room. It also has a balcony attached, but you know, I'll just end up showing you guys when I finish furnishing my apartment, because then it's gonna look super duper extra dope. I forgot to shout out the fits. This is my Fashion Nova 2-piece, you know, period. I'll leave the link to this haul up here or up here. One of those corners, I'm not sure. And you guys can check that haul out. Come on. Okay, so this little nook right here, I was thinking about putting, thank you. I was thinking about putting a bench right here, but then, you know, my baby daddy was like, what, people gonna be sitting in the hallway? And I thought that was funny. So I'm like, you're right, I'm not gonna put a bench right there. So I'm gonna put like a little table maybe, and then a nice mirror, maybe a couple plants. But this stuff is my business stuff. I'm gonna find somewhere to put it. Probably is gonna be on the desk with the computer. All right, and then we have the, I guess, master bathroom. Over here is storage. Got a lot of stuff that can fit over here. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put like extra sheets, stocking up on like tissue, toilet paper. You see up here I have like multiple lotions and Listerines, cotton balls, Q-tips, feminine products, all that. Mirror, cabinets. This is the shower. I already did some tweaking in here because I just couldn't wait on y'all. I told you it was super late. But I installed this thing. It's a shampoo and body wash dispenser. Yes, mine was. And then I also put a different shower head in there. Cause, you know, I'm extra had to be a little fancy. Girl, what is you doing? The plants don't want you. Let them go. Thank you. And then I got the purple towels to match the purple specks in the countertop. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep these as like decorative towels over here, or if I'm gonna put them up there somehow. I'm not sure. But the decorating is coming soon. All right, and then into the bedroom. Turn the light on. So this is our bedroom. Had to get the bed, had to get a TV. Don't really have anything else like at all. So it's still basically an empty apartment tour. So don't come at me talking about your apartment is not empty, okay? Because I was not about to wait on y'all. Nothing over here. This is her little bouncy thing, because like I said, she is mostly in a room with me. If you guys have any ideas on how I can decorate this space, let me know. Because it is a space right here. I'm not sure what I want to do with it. And it's nothing major, just a little, it's a nice size closet actually. I'm thinking about getting some dressers in here because I don't want the dressers to take up the room. Will take up the space in the room out here. I kind of want to keep it, you know, open and spacious. What's up, man? Mama, is you hungry? And I got one more thing to show you guys. You know, I cut off the lights as I go because I don't got time for them deals. You know? Alright guys, keep going, keep going, keep going. And this is the front door. This is where you make your exit, you know? It was nice for you to come even though you were late. I'm gonna have to fix that. But alright you guys, be safe. Mask up, you know? Say bye. Say bye. All right, Mama, she wanna act shy. She ain't shy. All right, y'all, make sure y'all subscribe, hit that like button, and then come back for my furnished apartment tour. Not sure when that's gonna be, but stay tuned.